Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Are you looking for the best protein powder? In this video, we will break down the top protein powders on the market. Starting at number 1, we have the Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder. The Optimum Nutrition Protein Powder is available in 4 different sizes, 1, 2, 5, and 10 pound options. There are 20 flavors to choose from, ranging from double rich chocolate to French vanilla cream. This protein powder has over 5 grams of BCAAs per serving, which help build strong lean muscle and help with recovery. The instantized formula helps remove clumps and helps to mix easily with water, milk, or any other liquid. Optimum Nutrition tests their products vigorously for banned substances, so if you're a professional athlete, you can be confident when getting this protein powder. Each serving has 24 grams of protein and 5.5 grams of BCAAs. 4 grams of glutamine are also included in each serving, which is known for helping with recovery in athletes. The main ingredient of this protein powder is whey protein isolate. At number 2, we have the Body Fortress Super Advanced Whey Protein Powder. The Body Fortress Advanced Whey Protein is available in 2 and 4 pound sizes. There's a wide variety of flavors, ranging from chocolate to banana cream, and even cookies and cream. In each 2-scoop serving, you'll get 60 grams of whey protein and 12 grams of BCAAs. Of the BCAAs, you get 6 essential amino acids and 9 non-essential amino acids. Each serving has 3 grams of glutamine to help with recovery, 3 grams of creatine, and 3 grams of taurine. The Body Fortress protein has no gluten and no aspartame. The protein delivers a great blend of electrolytes in each serving, and has a great amino acid profile that is great for recovery and professional athletes. At number 3, we have the Vega 1 Organic All-in-One Shake. The Vega All-in-One Shake is a plant-based alternative protein to whey protein. Sizes range from small, large, extra large, and a carton. Vega has a wide variety of flavors to choose from. Our favorites were chocolate mint and coconut almond. Each Vega 1 serving comes with 20 grams of protein and 150 calories per serving. You get 50% of your daily values of 8 vitamins and minerals. Alongside this, each serving comes with 4 grams of fiber and 0.5 grams of omega-3. You can be sure when getting the Vega Organic Protein that their product is non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and has no artificial colors, sweeteners, or flavors. This product is USDA certified and is great for those on a plant-based diet. At number 4, we have the BSN Syntha 6 Whey Protein Powder. The Syntha 6 is available in 3 different sizes, ranging from 28 servings to 97 servings. It also has a variety of flavors such as chocolate cake batter, peanut butter cookie, and more. Each serving has 22 grams of protein and tastes amazing. You should note, however, that each serving contains 2 to 3 grams of sugar, depending on the flavor you choose. In each serving, you also get 10 grams of essential amino acids, helping aid muscle recovery. At number 5, we have the Levels 100% grass-fed whey protein. The Levels Nutrition Protein is available in sizes ranging from 2 to 5 pounds. You can choose from a wide variety of flavors, which include chocolate mocha, vanilla bean, and vanilla cinnamon. Each scoop of this protein powder has 24 grams of protein and 5.4 grams of BCAAs, with no sugar added. This provides a clean way to get protein and aid muscle recovery. The whey protein inside is from grass-fed cows, which creates a higher concentration of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial nutrients. Made in the USA, this protein powder goes through a lot of testing and tries to meet the highest quality standards. It includes no GMOs or artificial sweeteners. At number 6, we have the Designer Whey Protein Powder. The Designer Protein Powder is available in sizes ranging from 12 ounces to 64 ounces. You also get a wide selection of flavors to choose from, including summer strawberry, vanilla almond, and gourmet chocolate. Each serving has 20 grams of natural protein and has a large amount of essential amino acids. Every serving also has 110 calories and no added sugar. It has included probiotics for healthy digestion. This protein powder has various electrolytes to help with post-workout recovery and contains no artificial flavors, sweeteners, colors, or any artificial preservatives. At number 7, we have the Isopure Zero Carb Keto-Friendly Protein Powder. This protein powder is available in sizes ranging from 1 pound to 4.5 pounds. It has a huge selection of flavors to choose from. Some of our favorites were creamy vanilla, strawberries and cream, and toasted coconut. This protein powder has 25 grams of high-quality protein per serving. With no carbs, it's perfect for those on a keto diet, or for those that want to limit their carb intake. The Isopure protein powder is both lactose and gluten-free. You can use the protein powder with various recipes to create some keto-friendly dishes, such as pancakes and more. At number 8, we have the Premier Protein 30-gram protein shake. The Premier Protein shakes are a great convenient way to have your protein, coming in individual bottles with a pre-measured serving already in shake form. It saves you time using a blender and is a simple, easy way to get your protein in. You can choose from a large variety of flavors. Some of our favorites were chocolate, cookies and cream, and peaches and cream. Each bottle contains 160 calories, 1 gram of sugar, low amounts of fat, and a whopping 30 grams of protein. It also has 24 vitamins and minerals. The shakes are very smooth, and since they are pre-measured and are already in shake form, it's a great option for those busy people who are on the go and don't have time to make a shake in the morning or after a workout. At number 9, we have the Orgain Organic Plant-Based Protein Powder. The Orgain protein powder is available in several different flavors, but we would recommend going with the vanilla as it tastes great. Each serving has 21 grams of protein and 150 calories. In that serving, you're getting protein from plant-based sources such as peas, rice, chia seeds, and more. Each serving also contains 5 grams of organic dietary fiber, 5 grams of carbs, and 0 grams of sugar. The shake is very easy to make. All you have to do is mix with water, shake, and it's ready to go. It mixed very easily when we tested and didn't require a blender. The protein powder is also perfect for use in cakes, brownies, muffins, and more. This protein powder is gluten-free, lactose-free, vegan, soy-free, and non-GMO. And for our final pick at number 10, we have the MuscleTech NitroTech Protein Powder. The MuscleTech protein powder comes in sizes ranging from 2 pounds to 10 pounds. It also had a wide variety of flavors to choose from. Some of our favorites were Mocha Cappuccino Swirl, Milk Chocolate, and Strawberry. In each serving you get 30 grams of protein and 4 grams of carbs. Alongside that, you get 3 grams of creatine included in each serving. This powerful protein powder is great for bodybuilding and recovery for professional athletes. So that sums up our top protein powders. We hope you enjoyed.